Many people have asked us how we managed to start a business during the pandemic. But that's just it. We knew we needed to. Pink Carrot was all realized by us. Angela and Sharon, a couple of ladies over a yummy charcuterie board, and a couple of glasses of wine during a girls' night. We realized through our own concerns of not being able to see our favorite nail girls during the lockdown that we would eventually be missing this form of self-care, so we created Pink Carrot. Pink Carrot is a salon in a box. Everything you need to get the salon quality manicure and pedicure, but from the comfort of your own home. In the kit, you get your UV LED nail lamp that cures in just 60 seconds, your rose gold cuticle wand, your nail file, and 3 of our signature color one-step gel polishes. One day, we will get to see our favorite nail girls again, but for now, Pink Carrot is self-expression and self-care for your nails at home. It's also a great kit to have available for a manicure anytime, anywhere.